Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today is Plan With Me Monday. I will be in my Big Happy Planner, and I will be journaling for the beginning of the summer in July. It is the second week of July, and it is so hot here. We rarely get these super hot days. We had 105-degree weather yesterday. Yuck. So, and I know that some of you are in states where it's hot like this, but we're just not used to this here. It's more of a Las Vegas weather, I think, or Arizona. But anyway, I delved into my stash of stuff that I had, and I had these really cute stickers and embellishments, and they're from Imaginis. And I don't know where I picked these up. I think that may have been at the Scrapbook Expo, but they're from 2012. And there's this really awesome set here of die cuts. Super cute. There's sticker stackers. They're dimensional stickers. And then there's some canvas stickers here. And then some chipboard stickers. And then I have these coasters that I picked up at the Dollar Spot, this like within the past month or so, that say Yay Summer. The colors matched really well, so I'm going to use that. And then I have 3 washi tapes here that are recollections, an orange dot, this pink filigree or whatever that is, and then a yellowish orange that says Live, Laugh, Love on it. So that's what I'm going to use. Let's get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. Alright guys, so I think this turned out really cute. I always love when I can get into my stash and find some things that are going to make a great layout, when otherwise it would be forever before I would use them. So I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe. And I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.